Here's how to update apps on your iPhone without the Apple ID password. Now, if you wanted to go through, maybe you wanted to update Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, but you don't have the password and ask you for that password every time, that's no problem. There are two ways we can do this. Let's first just open up the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile at the top right. As long as you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see app updates midway down. Just tap on that. And you can see next to any of these, you can tap on update, but sometimes it will ask you for the password. So if you're not able to update these apps because it's asking for the password, all you need to do is hop out of here instead and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on Search at the bottom and just type in Storage and tap on iPhone Storage. From here, just navigate to that app that you want to force update. Let's say TikTok in this case. Just tap on it, and all we need to do is hit offload the app, and then after it's done offloading, just hit reinstall. You can see it won't ask me for the password, but it will force update it to the latest version. You can see TikTok will install the latest version, again, not logging you out or losing any of your content. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that as well. Thanks for watching.